Stevenson, and this is Mark Stevenson, and we're the Stevenson team, and we are so excited to be bringing you a brand new listing coming to the market this week. It's located 8133 South Winds in the premier community of The Retreat, the only man-gated community in all of South Corona.
That's right. As you first approach the home, you're going to come into a private gated entryway, little courtyard out front. You got your own fireplace, seating area, several ways to enter the house. Once you come inside, you're not going to believe your eyes.
Yes, it's over 3,100 square feet. It's a single-story floor plan, great room concept with upgrades galore. And we're including real wood flooring, upgraded coffered ceilings, decorative wainscoting and wood trim throughout, and a complete movie theater.
And then after you're done enjoying the inside, you're going to step outside to your resort-style backyard, rock waterfall with your pool and spa, outdoor kitchen, and spectacular views of the Cleveland National Forest.
It is really amazing views. And best of all, this home is only priced at $850,000. It will not last long. We're having an open house this Sunday. Come see us.